Guys, welcome to this course on restaurants profitability analysis and maximization. In this course we're gonna be learning the basics of restaurant operations. How do we start a restaurant business? What are the menu engineering, what are the menu design principles that we need to take care so that we can sell our restaurant items better. How do we understand the revenue? How do we segment the revenue into in-house guest, outside guest? How do we analyze the revenue into lunch, breakfast, dinner? What are the best? How do we understand what are the best selling items? What are not so much selling items from a report? So we're gonna be looking at the report itself, how we analyze the report, how do we understand the report, how do we interpret the reports. And also we will be learning about the overall profit and loss statement. How do we understand the labor cost, how do we understand the variable cost, and also how do we analyze the profit and loss statement of the restaurant as a whole. This course is designed for restaurant business owners, business managers, or the supervisors who want to grow their skills, who want to grow in their career. I hope you will enjoy the course. If you have any questions about the course or you think anything is missing, please let me know. Thank you very much.